No matter whether you treat your computer as the centerpiece of your home office or just stuff it under the desk, buying a right PC case matters. At a minimum, you want to pick the case which has enough room for all your hardwares, but some PC case offer much more, like better airflow for lower temps, or silent design, or even water cooling support, fancy tempered glass, or RGB lighting. And remember, these are just the tip of the iceberg. So here's a guide to buying a PC case that's perfect for you. And remember, this is the first step of your PC DIY journey. Before anything, you have to decide the size of your case, how big or how small you need. Mainly there are three options: full tower, mid tower, and mini-itx. Full tower and mid tower cases both fit standard ATX motherboard, which is by far the common motherboard size in the market. But they can also fit mini-itx motherboard, but size varies vendor to vendor. But most mid tower cases runs 18 inches in height and 8 inches in depth, and mid tower cases are mostly the common form factor right now in the market and have enough room to fit a closed loop cooler or 2 or 3 GPUs and a lot of storage. And on the other hand, full tower cases are massive. They often measures 20 inches in height and support extended ATX motherboard like AMD's X399. Also consider full tower cases if you are planning for a custom water cooling build or 3-4 GPUs and a lot of hard drives. Full tower cases often support more fans for better performance and even a lot of storage area, and after all of that, you can find a lot of elbow room in them. And mini-itx cases are the polar opposite of full tower cases. They are tiny and mostly they support mini-atx motherboards, a perfect fit for your home theater PC, but the tight corner makes them extremely difficult to build. And don't think about water cooling, and even some mini-itx cases doesn't have enough room to fit a full length GPU. So I definitely recommend you do a little research before you buy. Finally, there isn't much room for extra hardware, so you will be limited to a basic system configuration, but that's great for all the LAN parties. So after all that hard work you have done on the internet, now you have to decide your budget. If you are spending $50 or less, you could find a pretty bare bones case with some extra features. Try to find the case which has more than 2 fans, one in the rear and one in the front. But remember, you won't find that option in a lot of cases, so that's a bummer. One of the best PC case that not only I have built in but also a lot of people built in and loved to build on that case, and that is a Deep Cool Tesseract. A great mid-tower case with an affordable price range, and it has most of the features you need. The 2 fans, I remember earlier, it has those, but it doesn't support a long length graphics card. You know, those Asus ROG Strix lineup, they are beastly graphics card, but the fun begins in $50 to $150-ish price range. In this price range, you will find a lot of varieties in design and construction. And also keep an eye on extra features, because in this price range, you will find some nifty little features. But features comes down to your personal preference or specific need for your build. Some cases has more airflow for better performance. Some cases focus on silent configuration. But that depends on you which type of case you need. But I recommend you pick a case around $100 mark, because this is the price range where you will find the cases which has better price to performance ratio. Once you extend it beyond $150 range, you will find most of the cases that excels both in performance and acoustics, and one that comes with a lot of features. And in this price range, you will find most of the full tower cases. You will also find some weird concept cases like Kruger Conqueror or Bitphoenix Portal, some of the unique cases with some unique prices. And now you have to make sure that you like your PC case look, because you are going to be staring at it for years to come. So I think this is one of the, if not the most important part when it comes to buying a PC case. Every online retailer shows their PC cases from multiple angles on their store pages, so there is no excuse to buy the ugly one. Aside from basic dimensions and price, the feature set is the biggest differentiator when it comes to buying a PC case. The more you spend, the more goodies you will get. So at the end, here are some of my favorite PC case at different price range. At the budget option, you will find the aforementioned Deep Cool Tesseract, which is an awesome PC case, definitely it is. And also you will find Corsair Spec series, which is a phenomenal PC case lineup. In mid-range, you will find my favorite PC case of all time, NZXT H500i, and also Corsair's 270X, and also Fractal Designs Mesify C, which is an awesome PC case with awesome airflow. And in the high end, you will find the most good looking PC case that I have ever seen, at least I feel like that, and that is Corsair's Crystal 570X RGB. It's a full glass build and it's just look awesome. And at the end, my favorite pick and my most favorite PC case, Fantex N2 Evolve X Tempered Glass Edition. So at the end, if you find this video informative, so definitely consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up. And if you want to share this video to your friend who might need this video, definitely do it. It's totally free. And at the end, this is Akash, and I will catch you guys later.